वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ऐसे आ काऊ। इसकी हम 10 लाइंस पढ़ेंगे आज। आ काऊ, cow is a pet animal. Cow is a pet animal. It is a cow. It is a cow. It is my cow. It is my cow. Its color is brown. Its color is brown. It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. It has 2 ears. It has 2 ears. It has a tail. It has a tail. It has 2 eyes. It has 2 eyes. It has 2 horns. It has 2 horns. It gives milk. It gives milk. I like it very much. I like it very much.
अच्छी पिटवाइए।